How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Vonico Johnson. I'm a published author of a book called Proven Pathways to Wealth and Happiness. You can check me out at victorvjohnson.com. But I'm also a real estate investor and a certified credit consultant. And basically my story, I don't have a college degree, grew up with a single mom. We were very, under-incomed, I would say, or underbanked. And I pretty much lived with food stamps, child support, for my dad and all that kind of stuff. But the bottom line is, once I graduated high school, I really wanted to be successful. I couldn't afford to go to college, so I started reading as much as I could, learning as much as I could, and finally, after living 17 years in debt, paycheck to paycheck, my credit score was in the low 500s, I finally applied a lot of the knowledge that I got from the collection agency world and the debt collection world, applied it to my own personal debts, improved my credit score from the low 500s to the high 700s. And over a 3-year period, my wife and I ended up acquiring several rental properties, single family rental properties. So now we are real estate investors, and I've gone back and got some studies on certified credit consulting. So I help people improve their credit scores so they too can buy property and hopefully build up generational wealth and a legacy for their family. And how did I get here? Struggling financially. I saw a lot of people that were investing in real estate, seemed like they were very successful, and I decided to follow a mentor that was already successful in real estate. Started doing that ourselves, researching a lot, meeting a lot of people, and just absorbing as much information about real estate investing as possible. We bought our first rental property in 2015. 2 years later, the $10,000 we invested in that turned into $43,000. So we decided to replicate that process over and over again. If you're out there and you're interested in becoming a real estate investor, I would encourage you to get into a bunch of meetups, get online, or even check out my website. I have some online courses where we teach people how to buy rental properties and get those deals done as successfully as possible. victorvjohnson.com. And the last thing that Keisha Bruno asked me to state was, what is the best advice that I've ever received? The best advice that I ever received was, do not limit yourself based on your past expectation. In other words, if you failed in the past, you've had unsuccessful situations in the past, don't let that hold you down from the future. Create your future self by creating the atmosphere that you want for yourself. Envision the person you want to be and work like gangbusters on a daily basis to get there. That would be my advice. Don't hold yourself back based on your previous losses or failures. You still have a winning season ahead of you. I'm Victor Vonico Johnson, victorvjohnson.com. I'd love to talk to you more. Have a great day.